Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, October 27th, 2015. We have high pressure exiting the region, and that means increasing clouds throughout the area as winds start to veer towards the northeast and eventually east by this afternoon, around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures this morning range from the lower to mid 30s over your far northern interior, where the clouds were able to clear out just enough to allow for some radiational cooling. Meanwhile, along the coast, temperatures generally range from the upper 30s to lower 40s throughout the region. Temperatures today will rise into the upper 50s to lower 60s by the time we get to this afternoon. So let's dive into this forecast, in which we're going to be seeing quite a bit of rainfall over the next 48 to 66 hours. This high pressure system will slowly exit out into the Canadian Maritimes, while this low pressure system, which was the remnants of Hurricane Patricia over the eastern Pacific, will continue to lift northward towards the Great Lakes over the next 48 hours and start to interact with this low pressure system right here. This warm front that is developing along the Gulf Coast will lift northward and bring very significant rainfall throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, starting late tonight and continuing on through tomorrow into early Thursday morning. This warm front will also bring the potential for some elevated embedded thunderstorms. Nothing severe, but certainly a threat for some very heavy downpours with this rainfall. On the latest radar, you can see rainfall is developing throughout central and southern Virginia. This will slowly lift to the north and northeast throughout the day. Look for widely scattered showers by the time we get to this evening, becoming more widespread as we head towards midnight. For the most part, throughout the morning and early afternoon, though, we will remain dry. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see the interaction and basically convergence of this storm in the subtropical jet stream and this cold front in the polar jet stream interacting, combining into one storm over the Tennessee River Valley and lifting northward into the Great Lakes. We'll be on the warm side of this storm, which basically means widespread rainfall if this was in the middle of winter. So again, we have a storm track where basically we go from the Gulf Coast up towards the Great Lakes. This is called a lake cutter, and as a result, we should expect some winds from the east around 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusting over 25 miles per hour at times, especially late tonight on through tomorrow morning. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, look for increasing clouds throughout the day, high temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s. This evening, widely scattered showers will start to break out as temperatures fall into the 50s. Look for a few of those showers towards Cape May, New Jersey and southern Pennsylvania to be heavy at times. As we head towards midnight, that rainfall will become widespread over the Philadelphia metropolitan area, increasing in coverage in the New York City metropolitan area, especially after midnight. And by tomorrow morning, that rainfall will be widespread throughout the region, heavy at times. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s. By tomorrow afternoon, the warm front will be moving through the region very slowly with moderate to heavy rainfall and a few embedded thunderstorms. Look for high temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. And on Thursday, that cold front associated with this storm will drive through the region. Look for periods of moderate to heavy rain in the early morning hours, slowly clearing from west to east as the cold front moves through. A secondary cold front, though, will follow with the threat for a few isolated showers into the afternoon. Look for low temperatures on Thursday in the lower to mid 60s and high temperatures in the lower to mid 70s. Now, the great news is that high pressure will be in control for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So any of your plans for Halloween look absolutely perfect with clear skies, light winds, and rather comfortable temperatures for this time of year. On Friday, look for low temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s, high temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s. On Halloween, that's Saturday, look for low temperatures in the lower 40s, high temperatures in the mid to upper 50s, which is pretty much where we should be for this time of year. And on Sunday, look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 40s and high temperatures in the lower to mid 60s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.